Hey everybody, birds. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Anyway, we're out here in the barn. We're gonna get the combine greased up. This is Saturday night. It rained earlier today, so I'm hoping to be dried out enough to be able to try to cut my little wheat patch here at the house on Monday. I played some shed Tetris yesterday. Got the picker moved to the back, got this moved up to the front. They don't stack in here as well this way, but I need to have the combine in front anyway for after we get done, because I've got some other work to do to it. Notice there has not been another video on the sickle rebuild. That's because I haven't had time to get any farther on that. So the old sickle is back in, and it's still junk, but it'll do what I need it to do, and we'll get that finished up after we get the wheat cut. So I'm gonna get it greased tonight. These things have about 85 grease fittings on them in all manner of locations. A good operator can grease one, I think, in about 45 minutes. It takes me probably an hour and a half, so if there's an indicator of anything. So anyway, I'm gonna get on that, and we'll come back hopefully Monday when we get started cutting wheat. Well, we're here getting ready to start on the foot patch. It's definitely got some weedy spots. I did the little bit up next to the barn. It's such a pain to get in and out of. I didn't want to try to video that. Seems to be running good so far, so we're going to take off and see what kind of damage we can do out here. Well, I hope this is a good sign. I did the little bitty patch up beside the pole barn, and I'm about 2.5 rounds in, and we're about full. So I'm hoping that's a good sign. And of course, you get almost done and the belt loosens up and starts slipping. So tighten her up a little more and we'll give it another go. Hopefully it'll restart. Got a casualty. Lost a bolt. That guard's loose. So the rest of them appear to be okay. We'll go find us a bolt, get her back together, and we'll get back to cutting. First up. Definitely the best wheat I've ever made here. I've still got some more to go. Fourth down. That was the last pass. I don't believe it. We've actually filled it a 5th time. Wow. I couldn't have timed out it much better. Last load. Yeah, this was unexpected. wheat harvest for 2023. I am happy. I can't complain a bit. I still can't believe this little, it's not even an acre and a half altogether made that. So the grain hopper on this is supposed to hold 25 bushels. I don't think I ever get it completely full to that point. But still, I usually get 21, 22 in it, so including what we put in the feed bin. We're looking at 95, 100 bushels, maybe. I don't know. I'm a happy camper. Well, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Yeah, I am extremely pleased. I did not really expect this to do a whole lot. I was pretty frustrated when I planted this last fall. I had corn out here last year and it was a weedy disaster, and I planted the wheat just to try to get rid of some extra seed, and I didn't think it was going to do much because it looked pretty thin this spring, but holy cow. I am happy. I like growing wheat anyway. It's a lot less stressful to combine than soybeans because you don't have to try to get all the way to or don't have to have the head laying on the ground to get it all. So yeah, I'm a happy camper. Aside from that one little snafu with the guard coming loose, it ran pretty well, and we'll get back on our sickle project and we'll go from there. The other thing I need to do, which is going to take some finagling, I need some sort of a chaff spreader on this. I don't have one for it. My parts combine has some of the pieces I need. It's got the double pulley back here to drive it. It's also got a couple of the brackets, but it didn't have the spreader with it when I got it. So actually, both of my parts combine and this one came from the same place. But so we'll have to do some figuring on that. But anyway, yeah, if you're still here, thank you for watching, and hope you have a good one.